Yeah.
Exactly, so you need to tell me ahead.
8. It's okay.
Let's go down there after.
Okay, what's on there? Oh, okay.
So why are you of all people talking about me to water?
Waiting to go in? And we're off. Oh my gosh.
There's just going to be a 1 minute
Ooh.
right to go up. There's also
Oh,
two glass
boy.
bottles if you want to look down. Our view right here is the south.
Charlie of the Chocolate Factory Great Gloss Elevator style. Oh my goodness. Yeah, my ears. It's like lifting off in an airplane. How many floors high are we going?
So we're going 114 floors or 346 meters. If we're going to the top, that's going to be 147 floors.
Wow.
But that's going to be another elevator to go up.
Oh gosh, I don't like this.
Well, here we are. Congratulations.